Hello and good evening. And this is the first part of some shit what we're doing. But what we're doing tonight, we do resizing the kitchen board. Our problem tonight, we need to cut the plate, but we don't have the right tool. Little thing, and we have a one, we think so good idea, and we are to try tonight. We have the little circular saw, but little bit upside down. And now let's see is that shit work. Let's see.
Back a bit. This is loud, right?
Yes, this is loud. This is a little bit too loud. But
Ali YouTube će to samo smanjiti, on smanje vide to, pa jako je glasno, bit će normalno.
Imaš naprijed ti mikrofon, možda malo zagušiš ili se odmah peše. Kasno je. Idemo.
Okay. And we are starting in a couple of minutes. And go.
And shit work. Sorry man. Fertig, sorry.
Is that the fat man? Yeah, was that the fat man? Yeah, the fat man's, how should I say, a bit, not very good. But yes, that should be the end for this video. See you next time on, well, I'm not sure. Pozdrav se. Bye.